living in city life. I am living in city life. They all are living in city life. Our son is living in a city.
And all that. In village there is also school. There are several government school and several.
Second thing you are talking about. I am also from Rajasthan, from the Jaipur, and I know
robotic system and these all kind of things are snatching job. Even if there is a guy.
How are you? Good, and you? I'm good. And today, do you know what we are going to play? Debate. What we are going to play? Debate. Debate means fighting. It's not fighting through the lathi. It's fighting through the mouth. So today it is a topic we have decided, and we have two players. I have selected Adit and Devang. They will play debate, and topic is city life versus village life. I want to talk something, both what they are thinking. Okay, Adit, how are you feeling?
So I'm feeling very pleasure to have.
Very good, nice. And today, are you ready?
Yes, sure, I'm very ready.
And what topic you are going to support?
I'm going to support city life, sir.
City life. Yeah. And what's your name?
Devang, sir.
Devang, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
And before that, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
And today, what's your topic?
Village life.
Village life. So today, you have seen both are ready to play a debate, and both are very excited to play. And topic is there, city life versus village lives. So we will not waste the time, and we should start and enjoy.
So hello, my name is Aditya, and today I am about to supporting the city life. So let's start without any further more wasting time. So yes, buddy, we know we all are living in city life. I am living in city life. They all are living in city life. Our son is living in a city. Even you are. Everyone is living in a city life. The reason is very simple. It's quite simple because of the facilities. In village you can't find the hospitality facilities nor education facilities. So because of that, this is only the two facilities. The lot of facilities. Even if you will ask, there are multiple facilities which is not available, which is undergoes. So I believe city life is such a best.
I think that as you were mentioning about school facility and all that. In village there is also school. There are several government school and several students studying there. That's not about the facility that you can find in village. And about hospital, yes, we can also find hospital about Rajasthan. As I am from Rajasthan, and I can find that I am from Jaipur, I can find the best hospital in Jaipur. If there is anyone who is sick or who is having any kind of medical problem or any medical issue, he can directly go to that.
So we are talking about the education that every students are studying. Why are you not studying? Why are you not studying in the government school or and why are you not living in the village, right? Second thing you are talking about, I am also from Rajasthan, from the Jaipur, and I know brilliantly than you. I know that there is no hospitality facility. There is no hospitality facilities. If you are talking about such rubbish thing, there is such a hectic thing. There is not even cleanliness, and in the name of cleanliness, there is such a dirtiness even in the bathroom, even at the bedroom.
That's fine. That what city give us. Pollution that city give us. Also that there is one lackment in city. Yes, job replacement that city give us. In city you can't find a single job because this in city AI is snatching the job. Robotic system and these all kind of things are snatching job. Even if there is a guy, he's from BTech or like that, he is unable to get that particular job because he wants to learn English. There's the pressure that government or that's the pressure that private job gives to a particular employment. If there is a guy who is working in any company, then he have to work for 9 to 5, and he will also get the night shift. It's the pressure of his boss that we get from city.
Oh, you're talking about the pressure. Oh yes, this is the pressure. Do you know about the government job? If you don't know, it's not my problem. Do you know about business? Do you know about entrepreneurship? If not, so it isn't my problem. And you are rubbishly just talking about, listen. You know, why 99.9% of the job only provided in the city? Why people are fool? Why people are fool just coming in the city? For why? Because of the facilities, because of the job, right? They are not the fool. Because of the opportunities, because of the job, they are coming because they want to earn money. Because in village there is none facilities that they can earn.
Yes, in city what we get, except we can't get a government job because if you want to get, then there will be 15 or 10 lakh competitors in front of you, and they also want to grab that job. From 10 lakh or 15 lakh, only 500 or 1000 people only get that job. Rest then what they will do about business. No one can open his own business because he don't have any business idea. Okay, and opening business is such a risky kind of thing that I want to tell you. It's a kind of risk. And in city, what we can find, the people, those are under 60 or 60 or 50, they are getting pollution problem. They are unable to breathe carefully. Example, Punjab. In Punjab, you can find there's several cities, and in which the oldest, those people, those are old, they are senior citizen. They are unable
First of
to
all,
breathe.
having a pollution isn't a fault of Delhi or isn't a fault of any kind of city. It is the fault of those people mentality and the addiction of vehicles. Don't try to blame the city, okay? If there will be no vehicles, so they will also not like that. Second thing you are talking about the government job. Yes, you are talking in business. You are talking about there is risk. Do you know, if no risk, no Rolex. It means if you don't take the risk, you can't get the Rolex. You can't get such a luxurious thing. And one more thing, you're talking about the government job. So it is not the fault. It is not the fault of those people.
Yes, I just said about pollution and all that kind of thing. Now discuss the main factor, the main lackment of city, crime. Delhi is known as the crime capital, but in village you can't find crime. Tell me in a single place from village that where you can find crime. Delhi is such a rubbish kind of city that in which we can find rape cases, murder cases, and blackmailing cases, kidnapping cases. Those all kind of cases we can find. Not in Delhi, in Mumbai, Kolkata, and these all kind of. Kolkata is such a great city. Even the people, those are living there, they are also great. But the lackment, the crime. Too much crime is there in Kolkata. In Delhi, you can find the crime. And these all in these sectors.
I just tell you, there is no crime. Do you know, everywhere is the crime, whether city, whether village. But do you know, in village, there is no data that predicts that there is the crime. For an example, in city, there is a data. There is a person that much person is having a crime. But in village, there is no data. So how can you predict? You are fooling me. I'm not. Okay, there is no data, so how an individual gets to know about it? First of all, you need to think about it. And yes, you are talking about the crime. Don't you know about the Rajasthan crime in Jaipur? There was a truck loaded. Even there is just only one. There are lot of crime that often happens. Yeah, I accept the fact Delhi happens. The reason because we have a data, but in everywhere we don't have data.
Yes, about the crime as you're talking, that as you're telling about Jaipur and Rajasthan and all that. I really want to tell you, in 2017 in Kolkata, there was a drug bust happened. In that yes, 50 kg drug was caught by police because they find a drug mafia. He was there, and also 150 girls were kidnapped from Kolkata, and the police was able to find that. And we was talking about crime is not there, crime is not there. This is the crime that we can find. First, check the Google and name that particular city in Google and check their crime rates. How much crime is there?
You also check the Google because you do know most of the harassment often happens because the people are uneducated. People are in undertrade, just chewing the pan masala and doing something harassment with the others. This is something. This is a village. Yeah, in some village it doesn't happen, but most of the village often happens. And this is not. I am not saying this is the fault of, but this is the fault of village that they are doing this. They are such a
yes. As you're talking about about village. Currently, we can find the domestic violence too much in Delhi. You know, in that I am living in Sangamgarh and I can find nearly the domestic violence is too much in a family. If there will be any daughter or any wife of and there is a particular husband and there is a wife.
So hope you get our content amazing, and if you like our content, so try to like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.